What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video for FiveM. This is a requested video from my Discord server on how to create an ES extended server. I have one out there for an essential server on my YouTube, but this was requested, so here it is. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and download this ES extended file from this link right here. This link will be in my Discord right here under ESX server. As you can see, it's right here. Here's also the download link for the essential server, fully set up if you want it. Here's a video on it. So go ahead and jump into Discord and download this. You can leave afterwards, or you can stay in here. We are a very active community on helping each other out. And go ahead and download that. You download it from right here. I'm not going to download it because I already did to save time. Once you have it downloaded, extract it to your desktop and you'll get a folder just like this. So once we're in here, we need to do a couple of things. Go ahead, as soon as you open it up, click up here and just copy this file location, just like that. Right here, copy that. Go into your server data and right click on your start.bat and hit edit. As you can see right here, we need to edit our location. So go ahead and just replace all of this, including the C, with what you just copied. You have to make sure you don't have any spaces in here, any duplicates, nothing. Make sure it looks just like that and go ahead and hit save. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you can rename this to whatever you want. Just make sure, as you can see, I have an underscore there. Don't have any spaces in your name, and you shouldn't run into any issues. So the next thing we need to do is set up our database. I'm not going to go over this too much. Just go ahead and have your XAMPP open, start your Apache and your MySQL URL, and go ahead and hit admin. This is going to bring up the portal for the database. We're going to go ahead and just hit new. We're going to type in ES underscore extended. Just like that, we're going to hit create. Now there's no files we have to import with this. ES extended automatically adds these tables. As you can see, there's nothing in here right now. All you have to do now is also in your server.cfg, we have to open that up, excuse me. And on the very bottom, you have to go ahead and add your license key. I'm not going to go over how to do this. Here's the link on getting it. I have a video on my YouTube that shows you how to do it, on how to create a FiveM server. In there, it shows you how to do this along with your web API key. Here's the link, but I'm not going to go over this. Just go ahead and change all this. I'm not going to change this. I'm just going to go ahead and drag a file in there that already has my information on it, so I don't have to do it. So now all you have to do is open up start.bat, and as you can see, it creates all the tables for you. So let it do its thing. And once it stops moving, if you go back to your database and hit refresh, see all the tables are now in there. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start up our server and make sure there's no issues. Most of the time there's something that it's missing. So we're going to go ahead and open up our FiveM and we're going to connect to it. So I'm going to drag this over to the side out of the way. Now connecting to your local host right here, it says localhost, just go ahead and click that. It'll automatically, as you can see right here, log me in as the German. Now keep in mind this is a base server. There's absolutely nothing to it besides the ESX functionality. So let's go ahead and let that load in. It shouldn't take very long since there's no extra resources besides the ES extended on here. Looks like we're almost done. Also make sure you leave a like on the video and subscribe if you want to see future content. Now as you can see, we load up and there you go. We already got everything. There you go. You got your server. Everything's ready to go. And as you can see, if I drag this over, I connected, everything got created, and no issues whatsoever. And there you go. Here's your ES extended server. Now you can start adding resources, scripts, and playing around with this. This is how easy it is to set up your ES extended server. Go ahead and download it, edit a couple of things, and start up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed this. Leave a subscribe for future content, and go ahead and join the Discord. If you have any issues, you can ask questions in there. People are always willing to help out, and that's also where you get the download for this. So go ahead and join it up. And let's double check our table one more time. So if you refresh now, see nothing changed, but if we go under users, my user was saved in there. If you want to edit, like say your money, go ahead and hit money, and you can go ahead and hit like 10,000 here and hit OK. Just keep in mind whenever you change something in your databases, you have to restart your server. But there you go. There's your ES extended server, and we'll see you in the next video.